My name is Debo Adeyewa. I'm a professor of meteorology, and I come from the Federal University of Technology, Akure, Nigeria. I'm working with WASCAL, and WASCAL is the West African Climate Change System in all of West African countries. And this project is a consortium. It's made up of WASCAL, AKADEMIYA 263, and RUFORM. RUFORM is in East Africa, like AKADEMIYA is in Southern Africa. And what we are working on is the use of artificial intelligence for development in Africa for climate action. In Africa, we know that climate change is a big issue. We have extreme weather conditions and so on. So the impact of our program will be how to develop resilience for women and to expect the worst kind of weather, whether it is going to be in temperature, in rainfall, for example, drought in some places and flooding in some places. We want to use AI to solve the problems. We want to develop technologies through our subgrantees so that people are empowered to run, so that there's nobody who's left out. We want to empower everyone in Africa through the product that will come from our grantees in terms of using AI to empower farmers, women, businesses, and so on. The key lessons are that Africa is really ready for AI. We found that people are quite enthusiastic about this. Some of them don't know how to go about it, but they're enthusiastic. And so what we're doing is to see how we can leverage on this. We've also learned the lesson that in gender issues, we don't have enough proposals. And that's because we're talking about climate science. You know, women are not so, in Africa, the issue of STEM is still not well embraced. So we are now reaching out to see Anglophone countries, Francophone countries, to see that we bring more people, we encourage people to modify their research proposals so that we can have this inclusion in terms of responsible artificial intelligence in climate studies and action, and also in gender studies. So we know that we'll have a wonderful outcome because the indicators are showing that we'll have very good impact on society in terms of awareness, in terms of what to do, and raising up a new generation of AI developers. I just want to say that it's been great working with IDRC and CEDA on this project, and we are quite enthusiastic about it. We know that at the end of the day, climate change and impact will be something that people will begin to look at AI as a solution. You know, we have a lot of products for forecasts and predictions, but without being able to reach our communities is not good enough. So AI is going to help us to reach communities and to reach gender and other marginalized communities.